In today's digital age, there are numerous opportunities to earn money online. Here are 5 top platforms where you can start making money, whether you are a freelancer, creative, or an entrepreneur. First, Upwork. Upwork is a leading freelancing platform where you can offer services in areas like writing, graphic design, web development, and more. It connects freelancers with the clients across the globe. Key to success: build a strong profile, showcase your portfolio, and consistently deliver high quality work to attract positive reviews. Second, Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon KDP allows authors to self-publish ebooks and paperbacks for free. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income from your writing. Key to success is focus on writing niche content, ensure good quality covers and formatting, and marketing your books to boost visibility. Third, Fiverr. Fiverr offers a platform where freelancers provide service in areas ranging from voiceovers to website development. You can set your own prices starting at $5. Key to success is clearly define your services, offer extras for added value, and promote your gigs to gain traction. 4. YouTube. YouTube allows content creators to earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing by uploading engaging videos. Key to success is consistency in posting, choosing a niche, and engaging with your audience are essential to grow your channel and increase views. 5. Etsy. Etsy is perfect for selling handmade or vintage products as well as craft supplies. It's a great platform for creative individuals who want to turn their passions into profit. Key to success is high quality product photos, strong branding, and excellent customer service can help you stand out in this marketplace. Let's see the conclusion now. Whether you are a freelancer, writer, creative, or entrepreneur, these platforms offer a great way to make money online. Success often comes down to consistency, quality, and understanding your audience or clients. Start exploring today. Thank you.